All right, arithmetic sequence program. So we're going to go to Program, New, and we're going to call it ARIT, A-R-I-T for arithmetic, and then SEQ for sequence. Q. All right, and now we start off by displaying what we want the user to know. Okay, so we're going to do caps lock. Again, quotation marks at the beginning and end of whatever you want to display on the screen. So let's say to find a term. And then again, we're going to display. So program, display, caps lock, enter first term. And then we're going to do prompt, which is where we ask a user to put something in. And then we're going to call the first term A. Next, we want to know the difference between terms. So we're going to do program, display, difference. Between terms. That's not how you spell terms. All right, and then end with quote, and then we're going to prompt, and we're going to store that number to D. And then the last thing we need to know to run the program is what term they're looking for. So term you want. And we're going to call that N. Now we do the equation. So the way you do the equation is we take the first term and we add the difference times the term we're looking for. So N minus 1. And we're going to store that to X. And then we're going to display term is. And then we're going to display what the variable is. All right. And that should be it. So now let's just make sure it works. Program arithmetic sequence. I did these out of order. So sequence is, so enter the first term. So let's say the first term is 1. The difference between the terms is 2. So that means it would be 1, 3, 5, 7. So if I'm trying to find the fourth term, it should be 7. And it's correct. Your program is done.